Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the environment so nothing blocks progress. Install Xcode and accept the license, then make sure command line tools are present. Open Xcode and create a new project, selecting the template that matches your goal. Next, configure team, unique bundle ID, organization name, and set a realistic deployment target so devices run the app. Once done, save the project in a dedicated folder and commit an initial Git snapshot to track changes. Now you dig into configuration and coding. You'll organize files into feature groups and physical folders to keep builds predictable. Configure signing and enable capabilities you need, like push or in-app purchases, and confirm entitlements match your provisioning profile. Then build a minimal UI, hook up outlets and actions, and implement the app's entry logic to verify navigation and state. Make iterative builds on the simulator, and frequently run clean builds to catch configuration drift before adding complex features. Finish by validating the app across environments. You should run on simulator and a physical device to catch hardware-specific issues, inspect logs, and profile performance. Once tests pass, resolve build errors and warnings, then run unit and UI tests to confirm behavior. When stable, archive the app, validate the archive in Organizer, and upload to App Store Connect for distribution. If something fails, check signing mismatches first. Most upload and run failures stem from provision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.